I'm walking down the street just like I own it. I'm rolling to the beat just like I wrote it. Watching the sun go down is disappearing. Cause in this part of town it's pretty clear that I can feel the city.
Hi everyone, I'm going to use acrylic painting by DecoArt Americana. Look in the video information to see the colors I use.